What's up, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. So I'm currently on my way to Italy. I need to go buy a wallpaper. I also need to go buy curtains for my bedroom because I'm redoing my bedroom. Yeah, so I'll take you along with me, and then later on I'll be painting the room. So see you guys later. So I didn't show you what I got from Italy the other day. I only got shears because I'm not a fan of curtains anymore. So these are the shears that I bought. I bought 6 meters, so 3 meters on one side and 3 meters on the other side. And when I got home, I realized these are the same shears that I have in my living room. Okay, so I didn't buy a wallpaper because I didn't find the exact design that I was looking for, and I went to so many malls, but still I didn't find what I was looking for. I'm gonna be inserting a picture somewhere here on the screen so that you guys can see the design that I was going for. Yeah, so I know where I can get the exact design of the wallpaper that I've shown you guys, but it's a bit on the higher side. It's 2,500 shillings for one roll, and I need 2 rolls, and I feel like that is just too much to spend on one wall. So still I don't know what I'm gonna do with that accent wall, but by the time the bedroom makeover video will be ready, of course I will have decided. Yeah, so the next thing that I did when I got home was to paint the house. Actually, I didn't paint the house, but my caretaker helped me paint the house. Alright guys, so it's painting day. You're gonna be painting this wall. As you can see, it has a lot of holes, so you're gonna be using fillers to fill the holes first before the paint. Yeah, so this is the situation I have going on as of right now. Merudi. So this is the paint I'll be using. So it's called Soft White by Crown. I've had this paint for quite some time now, you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna be painting this side, and then I'll see what I'll do to the other walls. Yep, so let's get started, yo.
Seen the sun in a while, and I miss your side. I wanna be with you all of the time, right now. I'm waiting for a better day, and I get to see your face. I'm hoping that you feel the same. How long will I be waiting? I'm waiting for a better day, and I get to see your face. I'm hoping that you feel the same. How long will I be waiting?
Alright guys, so this is how the wall looks like after the paint has dried. As you can see, the patches are still there, but they're way better compared to how they were before. So I was told if I want the patches to be neat, I have to go in with sandpaper and then go in with a paint after that. But who has time to do that? Because I'm gonna be covering this part with a makeup table and a mirror. So yeah, so I don't see the need to. Yeah, so it's been a long day. Let me go find something to eat, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So I'm having 2 slices of cake and coffee. So I thought I had the strength to cook something healthy, but you guys, I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
The next day.
And I miss your side. I wanna be with you all of the time. Right now I'm waiting for a better day, and I get to see your face. I'm hoping that you feel the same. How long will I be waiting?
So I finally bought a washing machine. I got it yesterday, and yesterday I was so excited. I literally washed everything in my house. Like, there's no dirty clothes laying in my house right now. Yeah, so before I show you the machine, I just want to mention this: before you make any big purchase, guys, please make sure you window shop in different supermarkets, because the machine that I got was going for 29,700 shillings both at Carrefour and Quickmart, but I got mine for 24,500 shillings at the Game supermarket. Just take your time and visit different supermarkets, compare prices before you decide on purchasing anything. So when I decided I wanted to get a washing machine, I wanted an automatic machine. But I didn't know these automatic machines are very expensive. I mean, I've never checked because I've never had an interest in them. So I didn't have the money to buy an automatic machine, so I settled on a semi-automatic machine. So this is the machine. It's a 10 kg machine. Brand is Von Hot Point, and this is the tab. I washed my clothes yesterday, and then this is the spinner thing, yeah, and that's the machine. Nothing much, but I wanted to show you guys the receipt. So this is the receipt. You can see Von twin tab washing 24,500. Yeah, same machine was going for 29,000 at Carrefour and Quickmart, but I got mine for 24,500 shillings. Yeah guys, so this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so it's until next time guys. Bye.